Discover Excel's key markets in the Excel Encyclopedia. The Excel infrastructure solution is designed to support applications in a wide range of environments. The flexibility, scalability, and reliability of the Excel system makes it a suitable choice for any installation, big or small. In this chapter of the Excel Encyclopedia, you can discover more about some of the key vertical markets that Excel is installed into, such as residential, hospitality, education, and data centers. For a full list of Excel projects, visit our website where you can easily pull together a list of Excel installations using the filter options. This can then be copied and pasted to be included as part of your tender response or project specification. We also write case studies for projects that have overcome specific challenges or feature unique architectural design. All our case studies can be found on the Excel website.